In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app with Flutterflow. We'll go from setting up your account all the way to building and publishing your app, using a simple, practical workflow that's easy to follow. First, open the Flutterflow website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the Flutterflow dashboard. This is where all of your projects live, and it's the main starting point for everything you build. Next, start a new project by clicking Create New. From there, you can choose either a blank project if you want to build from scratch, or select a template if you'd like a faster starting point. After that, enter your project name and click Create Project. Giving your project a clear name helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to build multiple apps over time. Once your project is created, you can begin designing your app. Start by adding the key pages you need, such as a welcome page, login page, home page, profile page, and settings page. These core screens give your app structure and make the user journey easier to plan. Use the widget panel to drag and drop elements onto each page. This is one of Flutterflow's biggest advantages because it lets you visually build your interface without manually coding every detail. As you design, customize your colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts so the app feels polished and consistent. After the pages are in place, add navigation between them, select a button or navigation item, open the Actions panel, choose Navigate to, and then select the destination page. This connects your screens together and turns your design into a working app flow. If your app needs data or user accounts, you can optionally connect a backend like Firebase or Supabase. Once connected, enable user authentication if needed and create collections or tables to store your app data. This is what allows your app to save information and support real user interactions. From there, start adding features. You can include forms for user input, connect widgets to your database, integrate APIs for external data, and add extras like animations, notifications, or AI features if your app requires them. Before publishing, test everything carefully. Click Run or Preview, then check your navigation, forms, and app features. If something looks off or doesn't work correctly, make adjustments and fix those issues before moving forward. Finally, save your project, generate your Android, iOS, or web build, and export the Flutter code if your plan supports it. Once everything is ready, publish your app to the platform that fits your audience. That's the complete process for creating an app with Flutterflow.